show you another one is the probiotic, because right now we are fighting with the coronavirus. So if that virus enters into the body, they're saying we should not take the antibiotics, and antibiotics is going to kill all the cells, white cells. But if you take the probiotic helps you to increase more immunity in the body, and the fighting cells will be a lot more aggressive. So how to do that? This is a pickle jar you get in most of the stores. So take the pickle jar and then put the kavi and color. You have water, the whole gallon on this kind of public sea. Not the distilled water, just drinking water. So you put this is the beets. So I bought the beets and I made into small pieces. So I'm putting these, this is this size of the beets, okay? So I'm putting in this jar. And then, okay, teaspoon is krava. And this is the mustard powder. Mustard I made into, in the coffee grinder, I made into powder. Generally I make it in this jar, 5 to 6 teaspoons, and keep it. And this is the Himalayan salt. I would like to use Himalayan salt than the white salt because this is much more better for your health. Regular salt has a lot of chemicals in it. So this is the I'm taking like 1.5 teaspoon because this is a big jar, or you can even put 2 teaspoons because spoon also is too small. So I took 3 teaspoons with this, and then I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of the salt. If you're very less salt consumption, if you have blood pressure high, just take lesser than this. But I am low BP, so I need more salt. So I'm putting 2 teaspoons for me. This is I'm making for me. But you judge according to your health, okay? If you're not supposed to take salt, then just take only half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, but not 2. I took 2 teaspoons in this, and then I'm going to put the water in it. So when you put the water, make sure you fill completely until the top, because if you leave the space, there will be air, and air produces the bacteria. You need bacteria, but you needed good bacteria. So I'm almost filled until the top, and then I'm going to put the lid. So once I put this lid, that's it. I'm good to go for 3 days. So after 3 days, take this jar out, mix it nicely, and then start drinking. Generally, you cannot consume all it in 1 day or 2 days, 3 days. Maybe 3 days I consume the whole thing, because I bring it to my work, like 2 big glasses, and then I drink it around 3 p.m. or between 3 and 4 p.m. I finish it. Sometimes I also drink before going to bed. So this will last like around 3 to 4 days for you. You can, once the 3 days is done, keeping it, do not touch it, and keep it in a darker area. I put it in my prayer room for good energy, but you can put it anywhere where there is a darker area, not touching it. You should not touch, you should not mix it while it is becoming, that good bacteria. So leave it for 3 days in a darker place, and then after 3 days take it out, and then you can mix nicely and start drinking. Some of my clients, they keep it refrigerated those 3 days until they finish it, or you can leave it outside. I leave it outside until I finish, but when I open this one, I make a new one, because this will take 3 days for me to finish. By the time I finish this one, I have another one ready. So remember what all I put it: mustard seed powder 2 teaspoons, and 1 big beets. Peel it and cut it into pieces and put it in here, and 2 teaspoons of the salt. And the beets skin, you can again blend this one with the milk or with oranges and use it for the skin. Do not throw it. Nothing you need to throw. Everything you can every vegetable you're doing, you can blend it and use for your skin, body. That, you know, these are all healthy for you. And today we made it how to use it on the skin and the probiotic, right? So now I'm going to